Somebody is using the drill in the apartment above, so if you hear that in the video, I apologize. There's nothing I can do about it. So this summer I was getting ready to go swim and my phone fell out of my hand and it broke. And then my grandpa offered me to use his old phone that he doesn't need anymore until I get a new one. This phone was really old and cheap and slow, but I tried to be as grateful as I can for it, and I took that as a positive because, you know, if the phone is slow, then that means I'm gonna be on it less, I'm gonna use it less, which is good, you know. It's not good to be on your phone all the time, and this can help it, this can be a good thing. I did get a few mental breakdowns because of the phone. So just now I got a new phone. It's an iPhone 6 something, I don't know, I found it for pretty cheap. And now that I have a new phone that is much faster and much better, I realized that there is actually good things about having a phone on self-improvement. There is ways to use your phone to boost your productivity and not to hurt it. And then if you can be moderate with the phone usage, then you're in a great position. And today I'm gonna share you 5 like extremely practical tips on how you can use your phone in a most productive way. I'm gonna give you the exact apps that you need to download, the exact things that you need to do that will help you in your day-to-day life to be more productive. So to jump straight into it, the first thing is using Google Calendar to plan out your day. This is extremely useful. So when I got my new phone, I immediately downloaded Google Calendar. I have every day of the whole week planned out exactly what I will do in what hour. Now this may sound like a lot, it may sound difficult, but try this out because this will completely change your perspective on your time and or being organized, and it will boost your productivity to the sky. So I absolutely recommend trying it out because trust me, it's a really good idea. The second tip is to use a calorie tracker. I would recommend the app MyFitnessPal. It's free, it can help you track your calories to know exactly what you eat today, and that can help you lose or gain weight and stay healthy as best as you can. And if you're not interested in tracking calories, then there is another tool in the app that can help you a lot, which is tracking your progress. Taking picture of your body and write down how much you weigh, and like that you can track the progress of your gym and bulking and whatever you're doing. It's a really cool tool that I use every single day. Every single morning I take a picture and I write down how much I weigh. The third tip would be to download a meditation app and meditate every single day. Meditation is really good for you. It can help you be more present in the moment, which will lead to you being happier and to you being better at controlling your emotions. So go to the app store or whatever you have and download Medito. That's my recommendation. There is more meditation apps, but this is the one I personally use. It's really simple. You will basically figure out everything when you get in the app. Just click on daily meditation and how long do you want to meditate, and that's it. The fourth tip is to use it for work. Now this doesn't apply to everyone, but for example me, I have YouTube, so I use my phone to use the YouTube Studio and to track the analytics and the views of the videos that I make. I use it for mail, and you have a bunch of tools on your phone that can help you with work. So if you're doing some entrepreneurship or whatever, then you can use your phone to help you. And the fifth final tip, I talked about this already, and this is really important: delete all social media. So that means primarily Instagram, TikTok, and Snapchat. So those 3 are the worst ones. YouTube, you can keep YouTube because you can use it productively, but watch out to be moderate, not to scroll on YouTube because that can also happen. Discord, I guess you can keep Discord if you want, and that's more for chatting. WhatsApp, you know, I don't really count WhatsApp as a social media, at least not the bad one, because that's just texting. But yeah, primarily Snapchat, Instagram, and TikTok, delete those 3. You don't need those 3. If you have those 3, you're gonna stay a loser forever. So yeah, delete social media, and that's gonna make your phone a productivity machine instead of a productivity destroyer, whatever, I don't know. That's all I had to say in this video. If you liked it and if you want to see more, you can subscribe. That will give you a lot of information on self-improvement, and that will help me too. So it's a good situation for everyone, so why not just do it? Go down and subscribe. That's it. Stay disciplined, follow God, and bye.